Nature isn't just a backdrop for our lives. It's an active support for your mediumship and intuition. When you step into nature, your whole system begins to shift. Your breath slows, your energy grounds, your nervous system begins to regulate. And that matters, because you can't receive clear messages from the spirit world when your body's tense or your mind is spinning. Nature naturally helps you shift into a receptive state, the same state you need for your mediumship or intuitive work. Here are some practices to experience. Walk slowly and mindfully. Let each step connect you to the earth. Touch something real, tree bark, soil, a stone. Let your senses come alive. Listen to the breeze, not with your mind, but with all your senses. Try sitting quietly for just 5 or 10 minutes and notice what you feel. These aren't just nice practices. They're training for your intuitive system. Nature teaches us to listen deeply, to present without force, to notice what's subtle, just like the spirit world does. If you've been feeling disconnected, blocked, or scattered in your mediumship, don't get frustrated. Go outside. Let nature co-regulate with you. Let the earth ground you. Let the trees hold space for you. It isn't about escaping. It's about returning to your body, to your presence, and to the natural rhythm that allows the spirit world to come through. Your roots matter just as much as your wings. Let nature remind you of both.